Rebecca, who is that? Who is that?
Maya.
Yeah, and who is Miles? Is he your brother? What is he?
Cousin.
He's your cousin, that's right. You playing with your cousin? Yeah, Miles, with your cousin Rebecca. Hey, Miles.
Me too.
You too? Here you go. Hi, Rebecca. How old are you? You too? Miles. Hi. Hi.
That is Maya too.
Yep, you can see Miles here. Hi.
That is the movie.
Miles. He's happy, huh? Hi. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.